you cannot go on a Ukrainian train without beer, well, beer, alcohol, and some food.
Хай живе, живе вільна Україна, хай живуть вічно козаки, хай цвіте червона калина, нехай згинуть воріженьки на вічні віки, нехай згинуть воріженьки на вічні віки.
This afternoon we've arrived at the Vokzal and we are going to be taking a first class train experience to Rivne. Whenever you're in the grocery store here, you gotta drop off your backpack because you're not allowed to bring it inside. So you have one of these keys. If you guys aren't familiar with Novus, it's like a huge supermarket brand here in Ukraine. And it's located conveniently right across from the train station, so you can get everything from alcohol behind me, beers, snacks, fresh food, literally everything here. There's a very special section for Ukrainians here, which is mixed drinks, which is vodka and lime, gin and tonics, rum colas, and brandy cola, all for like less than $1 each. Alright guys, leaving Novus right now. The entire cost of all that was about 200 hryvnias, which is less than $10 US. I'll put the amount right below. Lots and lots of trains leaving here from Kyiv today, and we just gotta find which platform ours is on today. If you guys don't have time to go to the supermarket, you can always go back here. There's a few cafes and little vendors selling stuff. So we're currently looking for train number 12, or car number 12. It's pretty far down.
Документи все маєте, так?
Да, паспорти.
Добре. Третє, четверте місце. What number?
3 and 4. Oh my gosh, it's so tight in here. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. It's just so dark in here.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it scares me. No, it's not.
No lights? Oh, there we go. Lights.
Oh wow, okay. Cool.
Welcome to the first class train.
Oh my god. This is really old school design.
Alright guys, we found our car, or our room, and we've kind of got an idea of what the room looks like, so let's give you a quick tour before the train leaves here. Alright, so here's the room guys. Give you a quick tour of it. It's actually pretty small. It's made only for 2 people. Bed's already all made for us, thankfully. We've got some water for us on each side. I don't know what this is. Looks like we got some cotton towels for washing our face and stuff, and disinfectants as well. A few water bottles here, and we get another towel on our bed as well. Everything smells really nice. Everything looks really clean, and you get 2 pillows, not 1. A mirror, as well as an extra light, so extra lighting. Hangers on both sides as well. You guys can't see it yet. Above Kintanya as well, there's a huge blanket above us, and as well as storage above. For those of you wondering where to put your luggage when you guys get in here, these actually lift up, and there is storage underneath of here as well. And I believe there's a second one on the other side as well. And then of course we have our kitchen table, or dining table actually. I think we're gonna wait until the train does start moving now before we start eating and everything, and ask for some tea. But I don't hear anybody else on this train. Seems pretty empty. Actually guys, you know what? Let's go check out the bathroom situation before we leave.
I wanna go. Oh my god, it's exciting.
Okay, here's the toilet.
Oh, it smells.
Seems like a very standard Soviet bathroom. Give you a quick tour. Okay, first thing I notice is a socket. Our room doesn't even have a socket, I don't think. Looks like we got soap here, water, which doesn't work maybe. Oh, this is the old school Soviet style. You push the button. Got some toilet paper in here, a hanger, and yeah, this is your toilet. Guys, do any of you know what this is? What is this for? Maybe it's, oh, hold on. Oh, I think this is if you have a top bunk. Then these are like the steps to get up, but we don't have a top bunk, so.
Nice. We're moving, but it's still hot there. But there's gonna be AC after. What?
By the way, guys, the only, oh, they just turned on the hallway lights. The only form of air, because our window doesn't open, is right here outside. This little tiny crack up here. It's the only form of air we have so far. By the way, guys, there's not a single outlet in this room to charge your phone. So if you guys plan on coming here and you want to work on your laptop, you want to work on your phone, you better bring a power bank. The only outlet on this train is in the bathroom like I showed you, or right here. The only single outlet in this whole train. This is my favorite salad in Ukraine. It is called salad olivier. And then Tanya wanted to try one of these mango salads. But of course we cannot be on a Ukrainian train without some rum cola. Ooh. That's strong.
Oh wow. Oh fuck man. Oh.
So everybody's going to sleep now. It's like almost 11 o'clock now. All the doors are closed, but before we go to bed, I want to ask if Tanya can figure out the bathroom sink situation. Do you want to go wash your hands and stuff?
How do you use it?
Push.
What's that? Are they clean though? I don't like that. It's so hard.
What did
I've never seen or experienced something like that. It's so hard.
I'm holding the door because it's shaking like crazy right now. Yeah, it's definitely gotten much cooler since we got on the train. It's about 2.5 hours later now, so we're gonna get some sleep because it's already 11:30 and we have to wake up at 3:30 to get off the train in time. So we have to set up alarms pretty early in the morning. So we'll see you guys once we get to Rivne. Well, welcome to very green Rivne at 3:40 in the morning. After a 6.5 hour train ride, 350 kilometers, we've arrived in the very yellow and blue Soviet train. Now if only we can find a taxi to get to our Airbnb. Let's see what we can do. У нас надо на Соборная улица 14А. 5 минут. Просто.
Ні, чекайте, ви мене замовляли чи ви просто підійшли?
Ні, просто прийшли.
14:45.
45? Ну, давай.
Що ви до когось їдете зараз, це ж не готель там, а дом квартира.
Ні, да, це Airbnb. Це апартамент. Все, спасибо вам.
Все, щасливо.
think we've arrived outside the apartment building. We just can't seem to get the code to work. And I have honestly no idea how I would get around here if I did not know Russian. Now the only problem here is getting through this dang door that has a code on it when the code doesn't work that the Airbnb host provided us. So just waiting on that now at 4 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so it's actually the last door, but well, it just turns out we were at the wrong side of the building, and wow, I'm tired. 4:15 in the morning. Got into our Airbnb finally here in Rivne. Tomorrow, actually today, oh my god, I'm losing my mind. Today we're going to be exploring Rivne as well as the real reason we came to this town. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video and join us for the next one. If you liked it, give it a like, comment down below any questions you guys might have about taking a train here in Ukraine, because we're gonna be doing 2 more of these, so to your surprise. And yeah, if you guys watched the very end of this video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Хай живе, живе вільна Україна, хай живуть вічно козаки, хай цвіте червона калина, нехай зійдуть воріженьки на вічні віки, нехай зійдуть воріженьки на вічні віки. Хай живе, живе вільна Україна, хай живуть вічно козаки, хай цвіте червона калина, нехай зійдуть воріженьки на вічні віки, нехай зійдуть воріженьки на вічні віки.